Hey guys, it's Paul's Trading here, and I apologize for the very long break I had for the past 2.5 weeks to 3 weeks. A lot of stuff has been going on in my personal life, so I haven't been able to trade, and I couldn't let the algo run because the charts are about to roll over, or well, now they did roll over, so it's gonna take about a month or so for me to readjust and reset the algorithm to take into account the rollover switch. So I hope you guys can have some patience for that. It's gonna be pretty similar to the strategy I already made. It's just gonna have some adjustments. Maybe the chart I'm looking at, like the tick amount, is gonna be different. Maybe I'll switch to a range chart, something like that. But the strategy should be somewhat similar. And yeah, that's basically what happened. So because my mind is like, I don't think I'm really psychologically prepared to trade a real account yet because I just don't think I'm ready. I'm just gonna do some 2 weeks of practice, live testing, and just running strategies I created. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do for the next 2 weeks. And during these 2 weeks, also, I have some time off, so I really am able to trade the entire day. So I'm gonna have recordings from 6:30 all the way to 1 o'clock p.m. That's why we're moving so fast right now. This video is pretty long compared to my normal live trading. That's why. So yeah, that is basically it for all my announcements. For the next 2 weeks or so, I'd say probably I'm just gonna do practice. I mean, if I feel prepared, like I feel extremely ready and stuff like that, I'll hop into real the Apex. But for now, I'm just going to trade like practice simulation trading. I don't want to risk anything when I don't feel ready because that just isn't a smart thing to do. So yeah, but on that note, today was an amazing day. We are up $750 on the live trading today, which is extremely good. You guys can see here, I think I'm about to enter a trade. I don't really remember, but it was amazing. Friday's trading, it was really good. We missed, well, it was really good, but we also did miss a couple of trades here and there. Like I said, I'm not ready. If I was ready, we could have doubled the amount of profit I made. You guys can see here. We entered target, but then we hit our stop down. Did not want to take the risk there, so I just moved my stop up. Even though eventually you can see we hit it. I just wasn't psychologically ready. Most of the time, I would just keep my stop below there because I'm confident in my trades, but I don't know. I just can't think properly right now. And we did miss a trade earlier today off a strategy I made, which is basically we're just looking at the swing patterns and we want to see three sides. We want to see three different levels on one side and only one on the other side, and a couple other rules that must be followed, and then we enter a trade. Yeah, so, and I did make some other strategies, like look, we're trading ascending patterns now as well. We're trading some other stuff. I traded these strategies really quick, like this week, because I can't trade the algorithm. You guys know that, because I have to wait for enough data to test it properly of this rollover. And the original strategy that I was using, I didn't really like the risk reward on it, so I just decided instead of trading two-legged pullbacks, let's just trade some other basic strategies that I could create in like a week. Like for instance, I'm trading divergences between RSI and price, reversals and in-trend pullbacks, as well as ascending patterns, and we're also doing swing trading. When I mean swing trading, I don't mean we hold for long periods of time, but we have like pivot points. Like I consider the swing things like pivot points, key levels. So we're kind of just looking for three key levels, which I would say declare top, and one key level on the downside. So that's basically the four strategies I have right now. I think we can also do NASDAQ trading with the ascending triangle pattern, but for now, I kind of just want to focus on getting my mind right and just practicing the S&P 500, trading some simple trading, just trying to make sure I'm good. If this does work out for the next 2 weeks or so, like if I'm ready and this looks good, I'll just hop straight into the funded account and just get right into it. However, if I don't feel confident, I'll just wait until my algorithm is ready and then just slap that on here because I don't want to take any risks, you know. You guys saw the Apex trading wasn't very good originally. We were taking a lot of losses before our algorithm really came in there and it took us all the way up. So that's why I don't want to take really any risks until I am 100% confident. If I can do 2 weeks with really good trading and I can enter trades when I'm supposed to, because I did miss two trades. I did miss two trades today. I missed two trades which I should have taken, so that could have doubled our profit. So yeah, that's basically it. But I'm minimum gonna do 2 weeks. I have to make sure I'm considerably ready, unless I'm trading an algorithm, obviously. But for actual trading, psychology is extremely important, and I really don't want to take any risks whatsoever. I know I said that a couple times, but I know. Um, so yeah, if you guys want, I can go over the swing strategy, which gave us 4 trades today, but I wasn't able to enter two of them. I was only able to enter two. All of them were wins today, which is very good. The risk profit is about 1-to-1, which is also pretty good in my opinion, especially with the high win rate that it does have. I've been back testing these strategies a couple weeks, like probably a week every month up to January, I'd say, because I just didn't have that much time. I just wasn't ready at all to do anything trading related or school related or really anything during these past couple weeks. So I just came on here yesterday and I spent the entire day just working on these strategies and just trying to get them good. Yeah, I think that's basically it. That's all I really wanted to say. I just spent the entire day yesterday, came up with as many strategies as I can, back tested them, twisted them, repaired them, just got them in and ready to go. I just used basic strategies I found online. If you guys are really wondering, I searched up like RSI divergence, or I searched up best trading patterns, or I searched up really anything, and I just put in random indicators from NinjaTrader, and then I just tried to see what worked and what didn't, twisted them up, added rules. I know divergences are pretty big. I know ascending triangles are pretty big, and I also know, actually I don't know about swings. So I really just a bunch of testing and fixing basically yesterday. That's how my entire day went. Bunch of fixing, bunch of editing, just a lot of work. But I do believe it's gonna pay off, hopefully, and these strategies will be really, really good and be really helpful. So yeah, after about 2 weeks, I'm gonna just hop in to the funded. Doesn't really matter if this doesn't work. I'm not going to until the algorithm's working. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I do enter another trade later into this video if you guys want to see. If you guys are already here, that would be amazing. But it's around near the end, I would say. I would say the last couple minutes of the video. Try to go to like the last 5 minutes or something. If you guys want to see my last trade. I didn't take any trades throughout here. It's a pretty long video, but I don't want to cut out anything or do anything that is weird or something. So I'm just going to let it all play. But if you guys just want to see the trade and you guys want to skip over all this data of basically nothingness, you can skip all the way to like the 18th minute of this video or the 14th minute, something like that. And if you guys want to know the strategy, specific details, rules, etc., examples, I can post videos like every weekend. So just let me know in the comments if you guys want that. And yeah, again, I apologize for my long break. I wasn't ready to trade. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Peace.